Hello, good morning to everyone. Till now, we have already learned how to use of compass, protractor, ruler, and how to draw circles. Okay, with any radius. And we already learned how to we can draw a line segment by using of a scale. Okay, but now we will learn how can we draw a line only using of a compass. How can we measure a line without a ruler? Okay, we will measure only by a compass. Okay, so first question 14.3. Question number 1. Draw any line segment PQ. So any line segment you can draw PQ. Okay, so draw any line PQ. Suppose it is PQ. Draw any line segment P and it is Q. Okay, it is given. Okay, next line. Draw any line segment PQ without measuring PQ. Now we don't know. We will not measure. Suppose we know it is 14 meter, but we don't measure. We will directly draw a line PQ without measuring. Construct a copy of PQ. So same as it is. What is the length of PQ without measuring? We will make one more line. So what we will do? First step to write. Take any PQ line. Take any PQ line. Understand? We take any PQ line which is given. You can write which is given. Okay. Second step, what we will do now, by using of compass dear, we will construct a copy of PQ line. So what we will do? So always first how will we measure it? If examiner say that use of the ruler and make one more copy, so we will measure it and make same as it is length, but we don't use. We will not use of scales. We will use only compass. So what we will do? This is pointer. It is pencil. Okay. Put the pointer at P. Yes, we already open and open compass from P to Q. It means this is the length. It is a line which is copy of PQ. So what we did? We did put the pointer on P and open the compass till Q. Yes, we put the pointer on P and open compass till Q. Now we want to draw one more line. So what we will do? Third line. So we will draw any line with scales. Okay. First we can say that L line. So write draw a line L. Fourth step. After what we will do? We want to make a line which is copy of PQ. It means any line has one starting point, one is ending point. Starting point we can take anywhere. Suppose we are taking a point A. So right, take a point on line L. Yes, because everyone know a line has one starting point, one is ending point. But we know if total length P to Q, so put pointer on A, because from this line we will make one more copy of PQ. So first we measure PQ. Now put the pointer at starting point A and draw an arc. It is called arc. Okay, when we put this. Okay, so write fifth step. You can write put pointer at A. Put pointer at A and called arc. Draw an arc which cut the line at B. So what is name? It is B. So it is B. So what is length? So therefore you can write you can write AB is copy of PQ. Is PQ? You can measure it. If it is copy, it means both are equal or not. Look at, put here. Yes, same as it is. So it means it is a copy of PQ. This step you can write by yourself also. Okay. What we are doing here, we will write same as it is. Okay. Understand? Important is this one. Step is also sometimes come in exam. Okay. So you will note down it also. So next question number 2. Question number 2 as it is. Question number 1. What we will do? Look at one time. Suppose it is L line. I am giving you hint for the second question. What is given? In second question, draw some line AB. Suppose now AB is given. Yes. So we will write in first step. Take any AB line. We will now AB line which is given. It is given. Next, whose length you don't know. We don't know how much. Construct PQ such that PQ is twice of AB. PQ is twice of AB. Twice of means if AB is 5, so PQ 10. If AB is 2, so it is 4. If AB is 6, so it is 12. So we don't know. So everyone know. So same as it is. We want to make 2 times. So what we will do? We want to make a PQ line. So take P point on line and third. So put the pointer on. Put the pointer at A. First we will measure it how much? A to B. Understand? Till B. Same as it is third step. Put pointer at B and draw an arc. Draw an arc. We draw an arc. Suppose it is cut at point R. We cannot say it is Q point because we want to make PQ line which is 2 times. 2 means double. So 1 time we will put pointer at P and cut. 2 times we need. Again we will put the pointer at R and cut the lines. So this is Q. So it is 2 times or not? 1 and 1. 2 times or not? So you will do this question yourself. Okay. Question number 2. Like this one. Only it is very simple. In question number only 2, you have to cut 2 times. Put pointer here and cut. Again put here and again cut. It is 2 times. If he asks 3 times, so again we will cut. 3 times it become. Understand it? So it is exercise 14.3 is also finished. Okay. Now exercise 14.4. In 14.4, first look at an example. Okay, in question number 4, in exercise 14.4, what is given? A line is given. What will be given in every question? AB. Okay, any line is given, and in the question is given, take a point on AB. Suppose M point. Okay. Now draw the perpendicular at P, at a M. Draw the perpendicular at a M. Okay. So first you should know what is perpendicular. Perpendicular means dear 90 degree. What is? First note down what is perpendicular. Right. Perpendicular. What is perpendicular? Two lines are said to be perpendicular if they intersect each other at 90 degree, or you can say that right angle. At a right angle means 90 degree. At a right angles. So this is called perpendicular. What is it? Is suppose example, it is AB line and next is PQ line. They are intersect mean cut. They cut each other at 90. It means it is 90 degree angle. 90. It is also 90, 90, 90. So if two lines intersect at 90 degree, we called they are perpendicular to each other. It means AB perpendicular to PQ. You can write AB perpendicular to PQ. In short form, you can write AB. Perpendicular symbol it is. It is meaning it is perpendicular. This symbol. T. Okay. AB perpendicular to PQ. Okay. In place of if and this symbol is, you will see in any question it is meaning perpendicular. AB perpendicular to PQ. Understand it? So now look at. So now we will draw perpendicular with using of compass. So it is important. Note down it also. Yes, question number 1. Question number 1 is given. Draw any line segment AB. Draw any line. We don't know what is its length, but we have to draw one line AB. Yes, so we draw AB. Suppose it is AB. So draw any line AB. So write. So step. So first step, what we will write? Draw. Yeah, take a given line AB whose length is not given. Yes, we don't know what is the length of AB. So you can take this one also, you can take AB. Either you will take a longer line also AB. Okay, because we don't know its length. So suppose we are taking AB, this one. Next is mark any point M on it. It means we take a point M. Suppose on this one. So write M. So second step, take a point M on AB. Yes, it is given. Okay, there is a two method to draw the perpendicular. When any point given on line, and second method when a point is not given line, which is outside given, then we will draw perpendicular. Okay, and everyone know perpendicular means we will draw one more line. Both are perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Okay, but we cannot use protractor. You will consider, sir, we will put the pointer here and it is 90 degree and we draw the lines. But in the question is given using ruler and compass. We can't use protractor. Draw a perpendicular to AB. AB to which is passed through M. So it is AB line. We have to draw a perpendicular to AB which is passed from M. So what we will do? Look at. suppose I am taking this M point is here, okay? Suppose it is M point, okay? M point. So third step, what we will do? So this is the method when we want to draw perpendicular when a point is given on line. So what we will do? So third step, what we will do? We will take the M as center. We will take M as the center and open the compass with any radius, whatever you need. Okay? So we will open compass with any radius. Suppose put the pointer at M. Yes, we put. Now after put, we will open compass with any radius. And after open compass, so I am writing first step 33. Take M as the center. As the center with any radius. Any radius means whatever you want to take. Okay. Now put the pointer at M and draw an arc like this one, like a half protector, and which cut the AB line at P and Q point. Yes, at 2 point or not. Suppose it is M point. Okay. To write, take M as a center with any radius and draw, and put the pointer here and draw an arc. Yes, we draw an arc, and this arc meet at AB where P and Q, and draw an arc which cut AB line. Yes, this arc cut where? At Q and at P. Which cut line AB at P and Q. Okay, at P and Q. It is till now. Whatever we are doing, we are writing same as it is in step. So what we will do? So after this one, what we will do? Now we have 2 points, P and Q. Now again we will take P and Q as center. Okay. What we will do? Put the pointer. It is M point. It is M point. Now what we will do? Put the pointer at P or Q and open the compass more than PM. More than PM. PM means it is less than PM but more than PM. It is more than PM or not? Yes? More than PM. So what we will do? In fourth step, take P and Q as center. Take P and Q as center and open compass. Open compass more than PM or QM. Okay, more than PM. देखो, it is more than PM or not? Either you can say that more than QM. It is more than QM. Yes. So we write, and after what we will do? More than PM. So we will draw in 2 arcs. 1 arc and 1 time on same as it is without changing. We will put pointer on Q and like this one we will cut. So 5th point I am writing here. 5th point I am rubbing the step number 1, 2, 3. Okay, you will note down. Step 5. Okay, more than PM. To write, draw the arc from P and Q which cut each other. When we draw arc from P like this one and this one, and both of the arc cut where? Suppose L point, which cut each other at L. 6th step, what we will do? It is L. After this one, what we will do? we will join where they are cut. They are cut each other here. So we will join L to M. It is perpendicular. Understand it? It is perpendicular. So it is join. L to the right. Join L to M. L to M. So it is your perpendicular on AB line at M. You can check also. We will put the middle of the protractor at M and we can check. Perpendicular means 90 degree. It is 90? Yes. So it is our answer is right. Our answer is right. Understand it? So it is the question number 1. Again, in short, I am telling you what we will do. In the question is given AB is any line. Yes. AB is any line. A point is M is given. Suppose it is M. So we want to draw a perpendicular which pass through M. So what we will do? We will put the pointer at M and take any radius. We will draw an arc like this one. And after, when we draw arc, it is cut at 2 points P and Q. Now we will open compass more than PM, not AM, more than PM or more than QM. What we will do? We will draw 2 arcs like this one, and one time we will put pointer at Q like this one, and where they cut we will join. So it is perpendicular. Do you understand it? Understand or not? So it is your question number 1. Now same as it is question number 3. In question number 3, what we will do? In question number 3, what is given? Look at question number 3. Draw a line L. Look at, draw a line L. Same as it is. Suppose it is a L line. We will take in starting L line and take a point X. So in place of M, it is given X. Same as it is, I am writing here. Look at. It is L and it is X point. Next is throw X. Draw a line segment XY. We have to draw a line XY which is perpendicular to L. So a line which is passed through this one and perpendicular X, and it is Y, perpendicular. So what we will do? So it means we have to draw a perpendicular at X point. So what we will do? Take X as center with any radius. We will draw like this one, same as it is question number 1. So there we will cut at 2 points P and Q. Here also cut P and Q point. Now take P as center and Q as a center. Open more than PX and we will cut one arc and one arc from here like this one. And it is, you can say that it is X Y line. It is X Y line. Understand it? It is question number 3. But in question number 3, XY perpendicular to L. But one more thing is given. Now draw a perpendicular to XY. Yes, it is XY given. XY. Now suppose I am taking like this one. XY. Again, now draw a perpendicular to XY at Y. Now we will draw a perpendicular at Y also. Suppose if it is Y given, it is X, it is Y. If we will draw at Y, so it is perpendicular not. So same as it is, one more time, same method we will use here. At a Y point. Just tell me, if in the question number 1, if you want to draw perpendicular at M, what we will do? First, open compass with any radius, take M as center and draw an like this one. But here we want to draw where? Perpendicular at Y. So take Y as center and now we will draw an arc Suppose I'm taking some. Suppose this one. Now take y as center, because now we want to draw. Because now we want to draw perpendicular at y. So take y, and it is. Yes. Here we take at m. Here we are taking at y. So what do it is P and Q point, same as it is. When we draw this arc, it is also cut at 2 point. What is name? You can say that it is, what we will give name, R and S. So what we will do? We will open more than PM. Same as it is. We will open more than SY. Everyone know it is Y. So more than SY, and we will draw 2 arc like this one. 1 arc, 2 arc, same as it is here, and we will join. Same as it is, we will join here. Now we will join it is. So you can say that it's Z. So it is perpendicular at Y also. So it is question number 3. In question number 3, you have to make perpendicular 2 times. You have to make it 2 times. So it is your question number 3. You will do yourself. Okay. I send you a PDF also. You can take help from this one also. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.